Before we jump into this video, make sure that you have seen both the videos, step first and step second, for solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube on my channel. And if you have done this, so just keep watching. Hey guys, this is Harshit from the Brainiacs. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube with the simplest method, which is known as the beginner's method. So please firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications for all our future videos. And as we are done this, so let's get started. As you know that in this video there will be third step for solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is the last step for solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In this step there will be method to solve the top layer or the third layer for solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And this step is further divided into 4 another steps. And the first step for solving the third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube is to making a plus on the top layer. You know that the solved layer is at the bottom, so we'll firstly make a plus on it. And it's not necessary to make these both color match as the first layer, because in the first step for solving third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube we have to only make a plus. It doesn't matter that these are matching or not. So there are 2 algorithms to solve a plus or making a plus on the top layer, and you can find these algorithms in the description below. In fact, you can find all the algorithms for solving third layer by the beginner's method in the description. So if there is a L of yellow color on the top, you can see that here is an L, so this algorithm will be applied. So here is an L, so we will put it as this. You can see that this is making an L, and now we will apply this algorithm. So the algorithm is F U R U prime R prime F prime. Now you can see that here is an plus. You can see. Now what if here is not an L? Let me make a situation for that. So okay, now you can see that here is no L, here is an line. Don't matter that what are the corners are making or not, we just look at the edge pieces. So firstly there was an L. It doesn't matter that here are yellow or not, we only see that these 4 edge pieces. Now they are making the line, so this algorithm will apply. So F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now you can see that and plus is made. Don't see that what the corner pieces are making, it doesn't matter, only see the edge pieces in the first step for solving third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So here made an plus. Now that what if there is neither L nor line? So let me make a situation for that. Okay, now we can see that here is neither L nor line. Okay, so what we have to do is just apply any one of that algorithm, any of them. So we can apply any. So I am applying the algorithm of L. So F U R U prime R prime F. Now you can see that here is a line, and if there is one line on the top, then we put this line as this. So the line is like this here instead of this. Okay, now we will apply the algorithm of line. So it is here algorithm. So F R U R prime U prime F. Okay, here the first step for solving the third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube is completed. Okay, so second step for solving the third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube is to matching these all colors. That if here is an orange, then here must be an orange. Green, so here must be an green. Here is in red, so here should be in red. Okay, so for solving this, there is one algorithm that you can find in the description below. So what you have to do is just keep rotating them. There will be one situation come that 2 of these 4 are matching. You can see that here only 1 is matching and another 3 are not matching, so we will rotate it once more. Now we will see that okay, now these both are matching. There is a condition when 2 are matching. Okay, so we will put the matched one here. So the first matching is here and another is here. It will also make an L, you can see. So these are making an L. We'll put them as this and then we will apply this algorithm. So R, 2U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime. Now you can see that all the edge pieces are matching to their corresponding sides. You can see. So okay, what will we do if there will be a line of matching edge pieces instead of an L? So let me make the situation. Okay, now you can see that the matching edge pieces are making a line instead of L. So what to do in this condition? We need not worry about it. What we have to do is just apply that algorithm again from any side. I recommend you to put the line side like this and then apply that algorithm, that is R, 2U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime. Okay, now you will see that on rotating this there are no matching. Once more, there is only one. This once more. Okay, now you can see that these both are matching, so we will put them like this, so they are making an L. Now we will apply this algorithm. So R, 2U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime. Now you can see that all the edge pieces are matching. Okay, so this is how the second step for solving third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube is completed. Okay, so here third step for solving the third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube begins, and in this step we will send all the corner pieces of the top layer to their right place. So if you can see that okay, this corner piece is at its right place. You can see that this corner piece is touching 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. One is of yellow color, one is of orange color, and another is of blue color. And you can see that it have all the 3 colors that on which the sides on this is touching. So this is on its right place, but this is not, because here is in red and the 3 sides on which it's touching does not include red. You can see that this is yellow, this is green, and this is orange, but there is no red. But this corner piece contains red, so it is not on its right place. This is not also on its right place. You can see it contains and blue, and there are no blue on the 3 sides on which this corner piece is touching. And this is also not the right place of this corner piece. because it have green and orange, and the three sides have not these colors. So for solving this, there is for sending the corner piece to their right place, there is one algorithm that you can find in the description. There will be one corner piece that will be on its right place. So we know that this corner piece is on its right place, you can see. So we will put it here and apply that algorithm, this one. So L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Okay, now you can see that all the corner pieces are on its right place. You can see that this is on its right place. Three colors are matching the corner piece, three colors. This is also matching three colors. Here also the three colors are matching, and here also. So this is how the corner pieces can be sent to their right place. In this situation, there was one corner piece already on its right place. So what if there will no corner piece at his right place? So let me make the situation. Okay, now you can see that no edge piece is on its right place. This one is not, this also not, this also not, and this is also not. So in this situation, you can hold the cube as you like and then apply that algorithm. Okay, we are applying. So L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Okay, now have a look that is any corner piece is at its right place. This is not, this is also not, this is not. Okay, this edge piece, this corner piece is on its right place, and if still the corner piece does not, any corner piece does not goes to its right place, you can apply it once more and goes on. There will one situation when one corner piece must be at its right place. As you can see that this edge piece is on its right place, so we will put it here and then apply that algorithm. Okay, so L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Okay, now you can see that still all the corner pieces are not at their right place, but only this one. So we will apply this once more. This will happen many times, but you have to apply this algorithm multiple times. Okay, so L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Okay, now all the edge pieces, now all the corner pieces are at their right place. It doesn't matter that are they oriented or not, that you can see that these two are oriented also as well as at their right place. This is also on its right place, and this one is also. So this is how the third step, solving the third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube, completes. In this step, we learn how to send the corner pieces to their right place. Okay. The fourth step for solving the third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube begins. So in this step, we will orient all the corner pieces. You can see that these two corner pieces are already oriented, but these two are not. So in this step, we will orient all the 4 corner pieces. So for this, there is one algorithm that you can find in the description below. So let me tell you the function of this algorithm. If you apply this algorithm by holding this cube, then that algorithm, if you apply like this, then that algorithm will do that these two pieces will send on the top, these two pieces will send to in this side, and these two pieces will be sent in here. If you apply that algorithm like this, okay, let's revise it. What I said, that if you apply that algorithm holding the cube like this, then that algorithm will send these two pieces in here, and these two pieces in here, and these two pieces in here. Okay, so let's apply this and see. So this algorithm is R 2U R prime U prime R U prime R prime L prime 2U L U L prime U and L. Okay, now you can see that firstly this yellow color was here, then it sent to here, and this was here, and this sent to here. Okay, now you can see that if we apply this algorithm once more holding the cube like this, then this will send these both yellow to the top, and this green piece to here, so it will also match, and this orange color here. So all the colors will be matched in here. That's also the same. This will send to the top, so the yellow will match on yellow, and this will send here, and this here. So the whole cube will be solved. Let's apply that algorithm, that is R 2U R prime U prime R U prime R prime L prime U 2U, so this like this, and L U L prime U and L. Now you can see that the whole Rubik's cube have been solved. But still, the fourth step for solving third layer of 3x3 Rubik's cube is not completed, because I told you only one condition. Okay, so what if this condition occurs? Let me make that condition. In this condition, two corner pieces are oriented. You can see this one and this one, but two are not, like this. So what will we do in this condition? We will simply firstly solve any of that one. So let's solve this one. So you know that if we hold this cube like this and then apply that algorithm, then it will send this to top, and this will goes here, and this will here. So this corner piece will be oriented, but this will got displaced. So you know, if we apply like this, then this will go to the top, this will come here, and this will here. So then we can solve this by holding this cube like this. You can understand. Firstly, we'll solve this piece. Okay, so we are applying that algorithm, and algorithm applied. So you can see that this piece have been solved, but this got displaced. So now we know that if two yellow pieces are here, so how to solve them? Just we'll hold the cube like this and then I'll apply that algorithm so that these two will go to the top, this will come down and this will go here and in here like this. So it will goes to the top, it will come down and it will goes here. So the whole cube will be solved. Let's apply that algorithm. Okay, now you can see that the whole Rubik's cube have been solved, but there are some more conditions of the fourth layer, so let me make them. Okay, now you can see that only one corner piece is oriented and two and three are not oriented. So what will we do in this situation? In this situation, we will solve any one of them. So if we solve this, then this got displaced, so we will not choose this. Okay, we will choose this. We'll solve firstly this, so that this will, if we apply that algorithm like this, then this will go on the top, this will come here and this yellow piece will come here. Okay, then we can solve that situation. Okay, so we are applying that algorithm here. After a few practice, you can also apply this algorithm like me. Okay, now we know what we have to do is now we must apply that algorithm twice here. So we are applying that algorithm. Okay, you can see that one time that algorithm is applied and the another time we are applying that. Okay, now we can see that when three corner pieces are not oriented, how to solve them. There is one more condition left. By the way, there are many conditions, but on the right time you must use your mind to solve these, because you know that what the algorithm will do. This, if you hold this cube like this and then apply that algorithm, you know that these two pieces will go here, these will come here and these two pieces go here. So on the right time you have to use your mind, but I'm telling you one more condition, so let me make the condition. Okay, this condition contains all four corner pieces not oriented. Now you can use your mind, so you can see that if you apply that algorithm holding your cube like this, then these two pieces will be oriented. So firstly we apply that algorithm from here. Okay, now we can see that these two are oriented and these two are not oriented yet. So you know that if we hold this cube like this and then apply that algorithm, then these two will also got oriented. Okay, so this is how you can solve any 3x3 Rubik's cube. Yes, you can thank me later. And if you like my video, please give me a big thumbs up and share my video. And if you have any question, suggestion, doubt regarding the video or regarding this Rubik's cube, you can ask me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.